our home. So this is our house. We recently moved and this is our new house. So we are currently working on it and we wanted you all to walk with us through this journey. So right now I'm at the door. This is from the door. We have these beautiful doormats which we got from Kamukunji and it is really fluffy. So it has a very good feel when you step on it. Yeah. Purr. And then we have the curtain for the door. Yeah, because our door it has a glass on it, we have to keep the curtain closed all times unless when you're going out. Otherwise we need to have it closed for privacy. Yeah, also the door opens from the outside, so it is so easy to have a curtain there, unlike our former house where you couldn't put a curtain at the door. So in this house we are using the curtain boxes, not my favorites. I like the curtain rods, but I'm so okay with the house, so I couldn't resist because of the curtain box alone. And also the curtain box is pink, light pink, which is also so beautiful. Like it reflects light very, very well. Very bright. It makes the house look bright. Yeah. So from there we have the switch. This sitting room has two switches. There's one here and another one on the other side. So you can switch off and on from wherever you are. Yeah, you switch on when you're getting in from here, and when you're exiting the sitting room, you can use the other one. Yeah. So moving on, we have the curtains for the window. We have the mustard yellow and the gray. So our theme was mustard and gray, and white. So that's why we have the curtains in mustard and gray. And I loved them. At first we were thinking like they weren't really matching, but we came to look at them and the lighting in this house, and it is giving. It is giving. It is giving. We love it. Yeah. So we can't take that back. So the curtains we got from Eastleigh. You know, if you have bought curtains, you know the price. You know the price. You know how expensive. Calling your elder sister asking, is this really the price of curtains? But they are calling us. They look so amazing. Also, the material is quite heavy. Yeah, I love it. It has something like it is shining. Yeah, and reflecting light. It's just not plain. Yeah. Again, we are not using a shear right now. Although we bought the shear, we are not using the shear because, you know, curtain boxes and fixing all of them they are in is quite troublesome. Yeah. So we have the couch. Also, it is in gray. Remember, our theme was gray and yellow and white. So we have the couch. We got it in gray. Although this is not the gray we wanted the one for the curtains. Yeah. But well, this is what we got, and it is okay. It is okay with us. Yeah. As long as it is gray and it is bringing whatever we wanted, it is giving. We don't regret it. Yes. Again, having a kid, you know, these bright colors. Yeah. So we also got the throw pillows to add a little bit of flavor. Yeah, because the couch was quite plain. The couch was. You see, is this a dove? It is a bird. Yeah. So we have this bird. We have these polka dots. It is white and then black polka dots, and the yellow one again. So I guess. Yeah. So you can see the look of the couch and the curtains. And man, it is giving. Yeah. The house is slowly coming together. Yeah. So next. From there we have the mat. It is also in gray. Not really our favorite, but we are thinking about getting a brighter carpet. But also we're considering, because we have a child, we have a toddler here. She's 5, and we can't put a white carpet here, and she'll always make it dirty. So
if she dirties it in gray, how about white?
So yeah.
Yeah, again, I bought this carpet when I was beginning life, you know, when you just move out and you just want a warm floor. So yeah, the plans of changing it are in. Yeah, so don't dwell there much.
Then we have the table. It is glass. It is okay. It reflects light well. It makes the house look a bit
classy.
Yeah, classy, but it is also hard to have it with a kid here, because you just look this side, and when you're back, she has poured everything all over it, so you have to clean it again and again and again. But it is totally worth it. Yeah,
it's okay. This got from supermarket. Yes,
my goodness.
Was it Magunas? Don't remember. Then there is,
they have the socket. So that we have this socket on this side of the wall, and the other wall, the other side where we have put the TV. But it gives you a chance to decide whether you want to have the TV on this side of the wall or the other one. Okay. So if we wake up another day and we're like, we have to change the TV to this side, we have no problem. We have the socket here.
Yeah, this house has installed quite a number of sockets on every part of the house. I really love the house because you can also charge your phone with ease on the couch, because you know the distance is quite much. Yeah, so yeah, from this side, this is how it looks. Yeah, we have plain walls. Disclaimer alert.
We don't have any.
We don't have much.
We don't have any
on the walls. Yes, but we will work on that. You know, life is a journey, a step at a time. Yeah, we are clapping at this step, you know. Yes.
So next we have the graduation. Our baby was graduating from primary to
from PP2 to grade 1.
Primary 2 to grade 1. Yeah. So this is the mount that
we were gifted
by the school.
For
so graduating.
We have it there. It looks so beautiful.
School is so good.
She looks so beautiful. Congratulations, baby. Yeah. So this house is quite huge. The sitting room. The space. You know, these things filled my bed sitter, so
yeah.
Plain walls.
We have plain walls, but we'll get art. We'll get art. Yeah.
To decorate the walls.
When we shoot the next time, I'm sure we'll have some art. Yeah, so from this beautiful graduation mount, we have this Wi-Fi thingy. I don't know what is it called, but it is for the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we're using Safaricom Wi-Fi because it is fast.
It is worth.
That is expensive. Yeah. It is okay.
And then from there, we have this other graduation.
Who was graduating?
Woo. Guess who graduated in the year 2022?
Okay, I'm so proud.
Yeah, so it was a very, very, very beautiful photo.
I was gifted, you know by who, so you can watch my graduation party on our channel, Life with the Kithenjis. Yeah, so
yeah. I don't know how much it cost. It was a gift, but it is so beautiful.
I love it.
We love it there. When you just get inside the house, you'll see we are learned babes. And then from there we have the dispenser. The brand is Leon's. Yeah, and it is totally quality, like it is working very well.
The dispenser is hot and warm. The red tap is for
hot, and the blue one is for cold.
Sorry, it is hot and normal. Yeah, so the blue one is room temperature because I do not like cold water. And you can order this dispenser from where?
From us. We sell them electronics.
It is Palmolive Electronics on Instagram, on Facebook. Place your orders.
On TikTok.
Yeah.
So we just buy this water from the supermarket and then we put it here. So whenever you feel thirsty in the middle of the night, don't have to go boiling water.
You know, we are using hard water, like the borehole water. So when you warm it, it does not taste well, or is it me? I don't know. So that's why I resolved for the dispenser, because it will warm your water. Even if you want to take coffee, you know, it is so easy. Yeah. And here is a storage for your either cups, glasses, tumblers. Okay, yeah.
Surprise!
Yes.
You didn't even know we have them.
I did not remember. I keep on using a glass. Yeah. So it is so easy. Very easy and like very easy to clean.
With a dispenser.
Please, 5,500. You have it.
Yeah. And then from there we have our sound system. I know it is not a system, but I'll call it that. It is a woofer. And yeah.
It is 3.1. The brand was Golden Tech.
Yeah, Golden Tech.
Golden Tech. It has served me well.
Over 1 year plus.
Yeah.
And it is still the same.
Yeah.
Although I don't like it sitting on the floor, so I don't know, but we're going to work on it. We can either get the TV stand which has a spot for the woofer, or we can, I don't know, we'll think about it, but we can't have it staying on the floor on its own.
You know,
it might get damaged. Yeah. And then we have the router for the Wi-Fi again.
Safaricom Home. Yeah.
And the extension.
JSB high quality extension. You can get it from Palmolive Electronics with surge protector. I can boil water. I can use a microwave. Yes.
And then next we have our artificial flower. It is tiny and it is almost broken. Our baby got hold of it, but it is still there. So we got it from Kamukunji. I don't remember the price. And next we have the LED strip lights or LED snake light, whatever you call them. So you can get it from us, also Palmolive Electronics. It goes for 800 bob, 5 meters. So we didn't want to stick it on the wall.
Although it has this adhesive glue that you can stick on the wall.
So we decided to put it on a bottle and have it just lighting like that. So whenever it is at night or you just want to chill, you will switch off as the light.
As the light. So the woofer
has 3 speakers. These are the speakers for the woofer. Comes with 3 of them and they are good. And then we have the serviette holder. I got it from Kamukunji and it is very nice. It makes the house brighter. So we got it in white.
Yeah.
And then this is the TV stand in black also. But we are thinking of getting a white one to make the house look brighter.
Yeah, and the spaces do not fit the woofer, so that is why the woofer is alone aside. Then there is the TV, 43
There is
inches.
us.
43 inches TV.
Life with the Kivenji.
Please subscribe because 45 views, 61 views. Please.
Kindly.
Yeah, humble requests.
Continue subscribing and sharing our videos. And then we have this calendar.
It is outdated,
Yeah.
but the art.
It is for 2022 or
21.
2021. But we love it. It acts as a wall art. Yeah. That's nice.
Tell her to Kyoke 2021. Yeah.
Or maybe we should cut these photos and then we mount them.
Brilliant idea. I was also thinking the same, but someone.
Look at it. Work of art. Work of art.
Who also loves calendars in this era? Happy New Year, guys.
Then we have the beads. We have cupcakes. We have, I don't know what this is.
Still art.
Yeah. African prints. And then we have painting. And lastly, pottery. Yeah. It is cute. We have the study table.
The home office.
Yeah, this is where you do all the editing, the studies for those who are still in campus, and
Job.
job.
We post things online for you to purchase.
Yeah, we didn't get the seat that comes with it, the one with the headrest, but it is on the plans.
Yeah, this is still working. This is my pillow. Is it a pillow? Tusifinye bana. And then here is the door. Is it a doormat? I don't know.
It is something like a rug.
Yeah, just to warm the floor while working. Here's my laptop.
The mouse.
While I was watching Baby Shark. Yeah, so this is the general outlook of the living room.
Yeah. And it is giving the vibes. It is giving the vibes. So yeah. So yeah. So and then there is the second door from the living room to go to the other rooms. It is right here. Yeah, and the second switch. So yeah, this is the living room. We feel as if we need to fill it up, get maybe some more art for this wall and the other walls, but we will get them.